What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Let's go for another pocket options trading day. Okay, guys, so today the balance is 288.83. So let's go ahead and update our sheet. Okay, wait a minute, 288.83, 288.83. Okay, so today's daily target is going to be 303. Okay, so we need to move 14.44 bucks or 303 in our balance. Okay, so let's make these rounds and let's go for at least 305. Okay, guys, so also in today's session, as I've been showing in the past few sessions, I've been uh marking the patterns in the chart. Okay, guys, so I have a picture over here about the chart patterns. Okay, so while I'm designing the charts, designing the chart patterns in the charts, I will come over here and show you which one we are seeing and which one and which one is potentially going to follow the pattern. Okay, guys, so for example, if we see this bearish flag, okay, I'm going to come over here, point it out, this bearish flag, and we're actually going to see in real life if the scenario is going to happen as it is over here on this chart pattern sheet or not. Okay, guys, so stay tuned in and let's see what's up. Okay, guys, so I'm just starting, so let me set this up 1%. Let me just set up my session, look for some trading pairs, and let's get started. Okay, I've identified the first chart pattern. Okay, guys, so as you can see right here, this one is forming higher lows and lower highs. Okay, so it came from the bottom, pumped, dumped, etc. Okay, so if you come over here, we can identify that chart pattern with this one right here. It came from the bottom, pump, dump, pump, bum, 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 bum. Okay, so if everything goes well, or actually it's more like this because it's doing higher lows and lower highs. So if you come over here, we can see that it's doing higher lows and lower highs. So this high right here, this one right here, it's lower than this one, okay? And this one is lower than this one, okay? So as you can see right here, we got a pattern. But if we look at this one, we can see that potentially if everything goes well, the price will go up, will spike up. Okay, so let's have a look at this scenario. So we not seeing the same thing as the chart pattern. Okay, guys, so we can see right here in the MACD a crossover, lots of red bars. So potentially this one will not follow the pattern. Okay, the chart sheet pattern, and will do the inverse, so it will go down. But it's too early to say. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep browsing, and in a few minutes time, I'll come back and I will show you what happened to this pattern, if this cheat chart sheet pattern is worth having or not. In my opinion, it is worth having, because even though sometimes the chart patterns don't follow, what it shows over here in this sheet, but at least you can have an idea about what patterns you should be able to identify. Okay, you got 16 patterns right here. Okay, so it's very easy to identify patterns once you got the cheat sheet. Okay, so let's have a look around and let's see if there is something else that we can identify. And we have another one. So I identify this pattern right here. It came from the top, and from here it's going up. Okay, so let's go over to the chart pattern, and we can identify this one with I would say this one right here, where it came from the top, and now it's doing higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so this is a bearish flag. So if that's the case, we will see a dump. We can see right here, down. Now he's doing this. So potentially, if the the sheet is right, we are going to see a dump on this one, even though MACD is showing green bars right there. So we gotta wait for the confirmation. Okay, so let's see if the thing that the sheet is right, and we're gonna see um the price going down. Okay, guys. So seems like it's breaking. This is a very bearish candle right there. Is breaking the pattern. So seems like it's going down. So we're going to take a downtrend over here. Let's see how we go. So it took 2 trades over there. So let's see if you're going to have a continuation to the downside, or the price will continue the pattern. Okay, but you know, it fell from the pattern, so I don't really think that it's going to make it back. Okay, I don't see it happen. So seems like this was right. So this is a bearish flag, and boom, 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 and this is a downtrend. Okay, and yes, I did follow the sheet, and as you can see right here, it is doing what the sheet says. Okay, so potentially this one's going to be a win. So we got 25 seconds to go. So let's see how it goes. Where was the other one? Did I showed you? This one right here is still developing. Okay, as you can see right here, still developing. So potentially we're going to have a breakout soon. So let's see how it goes. So we got 4 seconds. We cleared the first one and we cleared the second one. Cool. So we got 2 in the bag. So the target today is 305, I believe. It's 303, but let's round it up to 305. Okay. So yeah, this one is done. So we're gonna save this one. So let's look for the next opportunity. Okay, I have identified a new pattern. Okay, you can see that the highs are almost the same. Okay, but the lows are getting higher and higher. Okay, so if we come over here to the chit chat, we can see. Well, let's see. It came from the bottom. Okay, it came from the bottom. So it can either be this ascending triangle or the rising wedge. Okay, so it could be one of these two, right? So the signal is getting weaker. So we're gonna, from here, we're gonna see a breakout or a dump out, right? So we can see right here, potentially is gonna be a breakout, but as you can see right here on the MACD, signal is very, very, very weak. All right, so I don't like to trade when the signal is very weak, because as you can see right here, candles are closing very close to each other. So it can be a very dangerous trade. Unless you see a bullish momentum, like bullish candles coming up or down, yes, we're gonna go in. If not, we're gonna leave it as it is. But I'm gonna save this one. I'm gonna keep an eye on it and let's see how it goes. But everything indicates that potentially this price is gonna have a breakout to the upside. Okay, guys, so we have second trade of the day. Okay, so we can see that this one potentially will go down. I'm going to explain to you shortly. If you look over here, we could see that it was going up, all right, and then he broke the pattern, and now seems like he's forming a new pattern going down. Okay, that's why I decided to place 3 trades going down, because MACD was showing lots of red bars. We know we're on a downtrend, and it was closing candles below the 7 SMA, but price seems like it's going to change. Okay, so if that's the case, we are going to lose these 3 trades. Okay, so we got 20 seconds to go. Price is above this purple line. Okay, guys, so if he continues to go up, all right, we are going to lose these trades, and the trend potentially will not have a continuation to the downside. Okay, so we have 4 seconds to go. We lost the first one, we lost the second one, and potentially we are going to lose the third one. Okay, so we got 3 green bars over here. So yes, this trend is no longer valid. Seems like the trade is going to go the opposite way. Okay, so it is what it is, but sometimes you just got to wait a few seconds. But if you wait a few seconds, sometimes, you know, you just miss the opportunity. All right, so we just got to be willing to take the risk and, you know, hope for the best that we're going to make our profit. Okay, we are here again for the same currency pair. Feels like it's going down this time. So let's see how it goes. We got again red bars right there. Okay, and the price pumped over here and decided to come down. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I just decided to take two more trades on this one, even though I just lost them. So I decided to take two more trades, still believing that the price goes down. But again, as soon as I take those trades, the price decides to go up. All right. So it is really screwing me up, this trade. All right. So let's see how it goes. You got 20 seconds to go. Price is really trying to push to go down, right? So we got 14 seconds. Hopefully price will continue to push down so we can capitalize on these trades. We got 5 seconds, 2 seconds. So we got the first one and we have the second one, okay? So we lost 3 trades on that one, but we just made 2 trades, all right? So even though we're still down, still losing, we made a few bucks back, okay? So we can see right here on the MACD crossover and lots of red bars, all right? So even though the price pumped a little bit above, outside the purple line, price decided to go back in, but you know, I'm no longer hoping that this price is gonna have a continuation to the downside because it's messing around too much. So let's move on and look for the new opportunity. Okay, second trade or third trade, I mean. So this one right here, let me explain to you shortly. We can see that it was trading between these two green lines, okay? And then start doing higher highs and higher lows. But, you know, the higher lows stopped because we can see this purple line over here and the price broke below this purple line and potentially we're going to have a continuation to the downside. Okay, so MACD, we got a crossover. We had lots of red bars, but no longer having red bars. Seems like price is recovering. So let's see how it goes. You got 2 trades going on. I still believe that the price is going to have a continuation to the downside, and red bars are starting to appear. Okay, we got 13 seconds on the first trade, 17 seconds on the second trade, and we got a bearish big candle right there, 3 seconds. So we clear the first one, and potentially we're going to clear the second one, and we good. Okay, 296, right? So we are 9 bucks away to achieve our daily target, our goal, which is 305 bucks. Okay, so let's continue the trading session and let's look for the new opportunity. Okay, we have another trade over here, a big bearish candle over here. So let's see how it goes. We got the crossover, the MACD, lots of red bars, and we can see that we are in a downtrend. Okay, so potentially this is going to be a good trade. So let's see how it goes. Just place a second trade on this one. I'm going to place another one over there. Okay, 3 trades going on. So if we win this one, we're going to make 15.96. Hopefully we can have a continuation, lots of red bars, everything indicates that the price potentially will come to this bottom line right here. I decided to draw to call it the local bottom, okay guys? So if that's the case, you know, we will be able to make some money on this trade, right? So we got 10 seconds, so let's see how it goes. 7 seconds, let's take another one over here. 3 seconds. And oh, we won. I thought we lost that one, but we won that one. Okay, so we got 15 seconds on the next one. Price is really reacting, so let's see how it goes. It's gonna be a close call. I thought it would have a strong continuation to the downside, but it's not happening. 2 seconds. Ah, we got burned on the last second. Damn it. So we won the first second, but we got burned on the last second. Okay, so we lost that one. We lost 2 trades over there. So let's see how it goes. So we still got this one going on. 20 seconds. Seems like, okay, we can identify this is an area where price reacts. So if we draw a line over here, we can see that previously price came to this area and recovered. Okay, that's why price is reacting to this area again. Okay, so potentially price will no longer have a continuation to the downside and will have a continuation to the upside, and we want that one. Okay, so we lost two, won two. Okay, sucks, but it is what it is, right? So we cannot win all the time. It would be great to win all four trades so we could wrap this video up. But you know, we still got $10 to go. Let's continue. Okay, let's try to capitalize on this one, right? So we can see that the price is definitely on the uptrend. Okay, so I've placed three trades over there. Okay, so we got the crossover on the MACD, lots of green bars. So potentially, you know, this is going to be a winner, right? Price was slowly creeping up. So now we got the very bearish red candle right here, ruining us all. Okay, so if that's the case, we are going to lose these three trades, which is not great, right? Not great. We want to win. We want to win so we can, you know, wrap this video up and call it a day, right? That's all we want. That's all we're here for. So we got 20 seconds to go. Let's see what happens, okay? Let me take another trade over here. Still believe that the price will go up. Look at these beautiful green candles right there. So potentially price will come to this green line over here. So if that's the case, we are going to uh, make profit, okay? Because I won that one. I strongly believe price will go up. I lost that one, okay? Price is messing about. I lost that one. Oh, two wins, one loss. Not good. Not good at all. Okay? Not good at all. So which one is this one? American Express. Yeah, two wins, one loss. Okay. So we got two trades going on. So 25 seconds. So let's see how it goes. These two red bars, they don't look good on this chart, okay? Because we only see continuation to the upside. And, you know, if the price fails to have a continuation to the upside, means that a price will not follow the trend and something else will happen. Okay, so we got 4 seconds. Let's hope that we can clear these two trades. We got that one locked. Okay, so we got 20 seconds. So let's see what happens to this one. Yeah, I really don't think the price will have a continuation to the upside because candles over here are getting very, very weak. So yeah, this one is going to be a bum. Okay, I'm afraid. So we got red bars over here. 3 seconds. We scored. Very good. Okay, so we're back to where we were. God damn it. Right, so this one right here, it sucks because I was watching this one, right? So I was like, I just want to draw this line over here, and then I was like, okay, yeah, potentially if the price doesn't break above this purple line, we are going to see a continuation to the downside. It's going to reverse. And while I was flicking through these the pairs that I have over here, the price, boom, 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 came all the way down to the local bottom, right? So I was like, damn, I could have been wrapping this up right now. But, you know, because I was looking around, I missed the opportunity, right? So again, we can see that the price is reacting to this purple line over here and to this purple line over here, okay? But I would like to go short, lower, but MACD showing lots of green bars. Okay, it's coming down and feels like it's going to retest this green line again, okay, guys? But I didn't go in because of all these green lines, okay? Green bars. So sometimes, you know, we just gotta give it a miss. Okay, we got three more trades. Okay, we can see that the pattern was going up and the pattern has been broken. So potentially we are going to see a continuation to the downside. Lots of red bars. We got the crossover on the MACD. So potentially this is going to be a good trade and we will be able to secure our daily target, which is $305. Okay, so we got four trades going on, 37 seconds on the first trade. So let's see how this trade is going to develop. Okay, everything indicates that potentially this is going to be a good trade. So we got 25 seconds to go. Lots of red bars. So price is in two minds around this area, but hopefully, price we're going to continue to push down so we can secure this trade. So we got 10 seconds on the first one. Oh, price is not going the way we want it. Come on, don't screw me up. Okay, we lost the first one. We lost the second one. Oh, geez. Today we're not really having a good day. No, no, no. Okay, 5 seconds on the last one. Let's see how it goes. We lost that one. Oh, we won some. Wait a minute. Oh, we won two, we lost two. Okay, we're still at 296. Still at 296, okay? So it seems like today's gonna be a tough battle to reach the 305 bucks, but we're gonna keep push through and hopefully we're gonna get there, okay? Not hopefully, we're definitely gonna get there. Let's go. Okay, guys, just an update. So potentially I'm gonna um, pause this session for today, okay? Because I've got stuff to do. I've been trading for an hour and 10 minutes, okay? So it's 10:10. I've been trading since 8:55. Okay, first trade was placed at 8:55, as you can see right there. So it's been more than an hour, and I got stuff to do. I haven't achieved my goal, so I need 9 more bucks to get there. Okay, so I'm looking at these pairs right here. This one would be cool, but the chart it's very messy, close to candles closing close to each other. MACD showing a weak signal, so not a really good one. This one seems like is looking towards this purple line, local bottom. Okay, I would like to see that. MACD showing lots of red bars, but the signal is weak, so it might take quite some time to get there. Okay, this one finally is pumping back up. I missed this uptrend right here, so it's too late right now. This one is slowly coming down to this green line. This one right here, I don't even know what's happening. It was doing this pattern, but it fell off the wagon. Now, I don't know what's going on. This one is walking towards this green line potentially, okay? But has this one right here failed to achieve that? This one failed to achieve that. I don't think this one will get that either. Okay, so that's why I just didn't place any trade because these previous two highs didn't reach the target. Okay, and as you can see right here on the MACD signal is getting weaker. Okay, this one right here, Facebook. Caught this one around here or here somewhere. Okay, I thought the price would come over here and bounce down, but it did not. Despite the MACD showing lots of red bars, price continues to go up. Okay, so this um, trend is no longer valid for me. And lastly, we have this one right here, clearly on the uptrend. But after this dump over here, the signal became weaker, so it's probably gonna take some time for the signal to recover and come back to this green line again. Okay, so those are the pairs that I have ongoing on the lookout, but as you can see, not much is happening. So I'm just gonna pause this trading session for today. So later today, if I have time, I'm gonna continue the session. So we started with 288. So right now we got 296. So that means we made roughly about $8. Okay, $8. We need to make 14.40. Okay, so we need 7 more bucks. 6 more bucks to go. But ideally I would like to make $9 to achieve my daily target. So this one right here, we got the local bottom, we can call it right there. Okay, we can see that every time price comes to this area, reacts, touch, reacts, and potentially this one is going to go up again. But we can see that we are in a downtrend, so we got to be careful with that, despite MACD showing a crossover and new green bars over there. So potentially this one might be a good one, but looking closely, we can see the bars are very close to each other, closing to each other. Okay, so it can be a very risky trade, hence the signal showing very weak over here. Okay, so some things that you should consider prior to taking a trade right here. Signal is very weak, candles close to each other, so not a really good scenario. Okay, Facebook, it seems like it's coming back base. Okay, it's coming to touch base right here. Okay, so we can see a bearish signal over here. We can see that we're on a downtrend. Let's take a trade over here and let's see what happens. Okay, so potentially this is going to be the last two trades of the day, and hopefully we're going to be able to wrap it up in good profits. Okay, so we took two trades over there, so I still believe that the price will come down. We can see lots of red bars over here cross over, so let's see how it goes. Come on, Facebook, don't disappoint me. Keep pushing down. Let's take another one here. Okay, we got four trades going on. The first trade gonna end in 40 seconds, and the last trade is gonna end in 1 minute. Okay, so Facebook potentially will come to this green line over here. Let me open green line over here. Okay, so if that's the case, we we're gonna be able to capitalize on these trades. Okay, so let's have a look. 18 seconds. So MACD is showing bullish, bearish signals. Okay, so red bars right there all over. We got a crossover. So everything indicates that everything will go well and we will be able to capitalize. So the first one is locked. Second one is locked. Okay, third one, we got 4 seconds, is locked. Oh, third one is this, it was the previous ones. And the fourth one, we got 14 seconds to go. Hopefully price will continue to push down and we are going to reach our daily targets, which is great, right? So if we win this one, we're gonna make $5. Boom! We did it. Damn, thank you, Facebook. Okay, guys, so as you can see right here, I was like, it's time to wrap it up because it's been a minute and I need to go. And Facebook was my last shot. And I was like, yeah, let me just give it a trade on this one because as you can see right here, it pumped, broke the trend, came all the way here, and then potentially the price will come over here to retest this level over here, because we could see, even though it was pumping, like I mentioned to you, we could see lots of red bars. So that was a signal that indicated that the signal was getting weak and weak and weak. We had a crossover, and the price, the candle started to trade inside the Keltner channel and closing below the 7 SMA. So, you know, lots of red bars forming. So I was like, yeah, potentially this price will come to this line. Like I said to you, even though we are on the uptrend, okay? And if you watch this trade develop, potentially we're going to see the price coming test this green line over here, okay, guys? And yes, we made it, okay? So we reached the daily target. It took us some time. We started at 8:55. It's 10:16. So 8:55, 9:55, that's 1 hour. Let's call it 1 hour and 20 minutes. Okay, 1 hour and 20 minute session, but we achieved our goal big time. Okay, 307.13. So let's come over here. 307.13. Okay, cool. So the next target is going to be 322. So let's round it up to 325. Okay, so according to this sheet, if we follow the plan and still make the 5% daily, it's going to take us, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Okay, so in 9 days time, we are going to be able to reach the $500, which is the target. Okay, guys, so as you can see right here, price didn't touch the green line. Okay, guys, this is just a baseline. Okay, but it came very, very close to the line right there. Okay, guys, and from here seems like price is going to have a continuation to the upside, because we can see the green bar forming, another green bar over there, and potentially price will have a continuation to the upside because we still on the up trend right here. Okay, guys? But yes, that's a video for another time. Today's video, the mission is completed. So we managed to secure 305 bucks. So let's wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.